The purpose of this video is to show you how to install Adobe Scan in your device and how to scan your answer sheet, convert it into PDF and send to the mentioned WhatsApp number or mail ID. You will click on the link provided to you in the WhatsApp group for the installation of Adobe Scan app. Now I am clicking on that. See, Adobe Scan has come. Now you have to click on install. It will take some time to install. Done now. Now you have to click on open. Next, sign in with Google, sign in with Facebook will come and you have to opt one. So you have to click on sign in with Google. Now you have to choose any Gmail account from your phone and click on that. Now it's done. Now let's go. You have to allow everything whatever will be asked to you. Now we will click the picture of answer sheet. Like I am clicking the picture of first page. So it is done. Now we have to click on continue button to take the picture of second page. So done. Now the next one. So you can see we are taking the picture of all the pages one by one by pressing the continue button. And with that you can see that at the bottom all the pages are saved. Now we have to click on that. See, I am clicking on that page. Now it is there and now you have to rename the file. For that you have to click on pencil option and you have to rename your file. Now just see the process. Now I am showing how to write. Then you will write your section, like D section is there, then again put a dash, then write your roll number like 23 roll number, again put a dash and then write your admission number, like your admission number is M123. Okay, you have to press now OK button. Click on save PDF button. It's uploading now. One share button will come and you have to click on that share button. Now I am showing you how to send your answer sheets to different numbers, like here. If you want to send it on WhatsApp number, then you have to click on WhatsApp and you can see one more option is there, that is Gmail. So first I am showing you how to send it on WhatsApp number. So just see, I am clicking on WhatsApp number. Then I am sending it to the given number what will be given to you on in your WhatsApp group. So it's sent. So it is done. Now the second process I am showing you, if you want to share it with Gmail account or email account, you have to opt this one, this icon, that is Gmail. Now you will click and you have to write here the given email ID what will be provided to you in your WhatsApp group. So as I am writing @23. Okay, and now click on send option. Okay, so this is the way how you have to send it. You have to follow all the process accordingly. Thank you.